What's good, YouTube? We back with another one. So in this video today, I'm breaking down this crazy light speed transition, first seen from Asim Hotspot, and now showing you exactly how to recreate it step by step. And if you want that preset pack, hit that affiliate link in the description below. Come on, let's get straight to it. So first you're gonna start out by loading up your two clips, create a little space between both of those clips. Then next you're gonna want to duplicate the first clip. You're gonna slide that down, fill in that little space. Next you're gonna want to cut out the excess on the first clip. Then next you're gonna want to pre-compose the duplicated clip. Move all attributes. We're gonna double click on the clip that we pre-composed. Then we're gonna add on CC Force motion blur. I turned the native motion blur on. Then I add on the Posterize Time. Change the frame rate to 16. Then next we're gonna add on our light. Adjust the scale. I'll leave the description below so you can follow along as we go. Toggle switches in mode. Change the blending mode to linear dodge. Pretty simple. And we're gonna add on curves. And we're gonna create like this little S shape. And I duplicated mine 2 more times. Next we're gonna add on warp. And we're gonna change the warp style to fish. And we're gonna set a keyframe for bend. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna create an adjustment layer. And we're gonna add on the Asim's best wiggle. And we're gonna drag those keyframes wherever you feel like it looks the best at. Affiliate link is below in my descriptions if you want to check out Asim's V2 preset pack. Well, next we're gonna create another adjustment layer. And this time we're gonna add on Hotspot. Also featured in Asim's V2. Actually, this one is in the V1 pack. This V2 pack already comes keyframed and everything, so really it's just drag and drop and, you know, adjust it to your liking. And I hope that helped level up your edits. If you learned something new today, drop a like, sub for more tutorials, and check the description for extras and presets. Catch you in the next one. Peace.